So we're on the topic of teeth. I wanted to share with you guys this Fairywill water pick. This video is sponsored by Fairywill, and this is the water pick right here. So me and Mason have been using this and we love it.
So one of the really cool things about this is it has a little compartment where you can store all the different picks, and they're actually color coordinated. That way different family members can use them. And it actually has 10 different speeds, which is really cool. So depending on how sensitive you are and what you can tolerate, you can change the speed.
So I like to do mine on the low setting because my gums are pretty sensitive. If you guys know, like during pregnancy, your gums get very sensitive. So here's the handle right here. You just turn it on, make sure that you have it filled with water. This just pops off, and this is where you fill in the water in there. And then down here, like Mason said, you can adjust the setting speed, and I like to have mine low. So then you just put it in your mouth on a 90-degree angle, and you get in between all of your teeth in the cracks. It actually feels really good, and it makes your teeth feel so much more clean. Like, it gets out a lot of like gunk in your teeth, and it feels so refreshing. So flossing, I feel like it's kind of a pain in the butt with the string, and I prefer this any day over like regular floss. It just feels so much better, and it's way less of a hassle.
Way easier to manage.
Yeah, it's way easier, and it feels way better in my opinion.
So if you guys want to check out Fairywill yourselves, they will be linked down below in the description. Make sure to go ahead and check them out because it's really cool.
And it feels really good in your teeth.
It does. First time I use it, I like nasty stuff come out, so.
Gross.
Maybe don't put that in there.